All right, so for lesson three, we're talking about budgeting. And budgeting is where and how you spend your money. So I have some scenarios below here that talk about how you're spending your money and how you can save your money. So this first scenario right here is about Nate, who's in high school. And it tells you all sorts of information about him. And then it goes down here and it breaks it down into this chart for you. Okay. And so what I want you to do is I want you to read this and I want you to analyze his spending. And analyze means to look and think. I want you to analyze his spending. And then I want you to tell me why Nate is not on track to save for his new car and what changes he could make in order to get that new car using this information you have here. Okay, so that's what you're going to do for number one. Number two is Maria. Same thing. I've got her information up here in written form, and then I've got her information down here in this table and chart. Okay, and so what I want you to do is I want you to look these over, and I want you to analyze or to look and to think about the money that she has spent and if she's on track or not, and then help her make some changes so that she can get herself back on track. All right, so scenario three is Jamal, and he is a senior in high school. Oopsie. Sorry. Jamal is a senior in high school, works 30 hours a week, and then his information is up here. And then down here is the chart of his information. And I want you to read through Jamal's situation and analyze, which is read and think, about why he's not on track to save money and what he can change to do that. And that's all I want you to do this week.